A very good morning to all. My name is Neel Kusum Banerjee from Krishna Public School, Nehru Nagar, Bhilai. Children, have you seen ant at your home? Yes, ant is a very small insect who lives in a large group and work very hard. Students, do you have friends? Yes, everybody have friends. Now tell me, who is your friend? A friend is a person who you can talk, play, spend your time and share your toys with him. Lesson 3 and Friends. Now students, before starting this lesson, I would like to ask you some interactive questions. Question number 1. Which animals carry load? Yes, camel, donkey, elephants, yak, horses, etc. Now, question number 2. Can you name an insect which carry load? Ant carry loads. Yes, you know that. Now, do you know that students, that ant carry loads much heavier than their weight? Let us read some difficult words from page number 18 and 19 and also underline all these difficult words in your book. Now first one, alone, A-L-O-N-E. Alone means without anyone else. Second one, pail, P-A-I-L. Pail means bucket. Number 3, log, L-O-G. Log means a thick pieces of wood from a tree. Fourth one, marched, M-A-R-C-H-E-D. Now in this lesson, marched means walked like a soldier. Fifth one, glad, G-L-A-D. Glad means very happy. Sixth one, nod, N-O-D. Nod means to move head up and down like this. Seventh one, wonder, W-O-N-D-E-R. Wonder means thought. Eighth one, carefully, C-A-R-E-F-U-L-L-Y. Carefully in this lesson means very closely. Lesson 3 and Friends. In the morning, Tony was all alone. Tony played with his friends after lunch every day. But it was only 10 in the morning now. Please, can I go out to play, mother? Said Tony. Yes, you can, Tony. I will call you when it is lunchtime, said mother. So he went out into the garden to play. Tony loved the garden. He loved to look at the colorful flowers and the fruits on the trees. He loved to play with the bundles of sticks, dry leaves and an old tin pail. But today he also found something else. He saw an old broken log in a corner of the garden. A line of shiny black ants marched up and down this log. Tony bent down and said, "Hello, I'm Tony. I'm glad to see you." The ants nodded their heads. Were they glad to see him too? Tony watched them. What are they doing? Where are they going? He wondered. He looked carefully at an ant. It was carrying some food in its mouth. The other ants went under the log and put the food there. One morning, Tony was all alone. He used to play with his friends after lunch. But it was only 10 o'clock in the morning. After taking permission of his mother, he went out in the garden. He loved to look at the colorful flowers, fruits. He loved to play with a bundle of sticks, dry leaves, and old tin pig. Today, he saw a line of shiny black ants marched up and down a log. He watched the ants very carefully. They were carrying food in their mouth. A very good morning, students. In last class, we have read lesson 3 and friends. Before going to the next page, I would ask you some question regarding the previous page. Now students, tell me, what did Tony do after lunch every day? Yes, Tony played with his friend after lunch every day. Now next question, from whom did Tony take permission? Tony took permission from his mother. Question number 3, what did Tony see on the log? He saw a line of shiny black ants marched up and down on the log. Difficult words of page number 20. First, number 1, noon. N-O-O-N. Noon means 12 o'clock of the day. Number 2, hungry. H-U-N-G-R-Y. Hungry means wanting something to eat. Number 3, watch. W-A-T-C-H. Watch means paying attention to what happens. Number 4, important. I-M-P-O-R-T-A-N-T. Important. Important means having great value. Then they came out again to get more food. They moved to one side to let others pass. They worked together and carried big pieces of food. They went up and down and up and down, but they never stopped to rest. Tony watched the ant for a long time. Then he heard his mother calling him. Time for lunch, Tony. It was noon already. He was feeling very hungry, so he jumped up and said, "Goodbye, I will see you tomorrow morning." And his ant friends nodded their head, but did not talk because they were still busy marching up and down. That day, Tony learned an important lesson: to always work hard and work together as a team. Works together to carry big pieces of food. They worked continuously without rest. Then Tony heard that mother was calling him for the lunch. He said goodbye to the ants. That day, Tony learned an important lesson: to always work hard and work together as a team. Now, I will summarize the lesson. One morning, when Tony was all alone, he took permission from his mother and went out into the garden to play. He loved the garden, but on that day, he saw a line of shiny black ants moving down the lawn. They were carrying some food in their mouth. He watched them very carefully. They worked together to carry big pieces of food. On that day, Tony learned an important lesson: that to always work hard and work together as a team. Students, today we have completed this lesson. Now let me ask some questions from this chapter. Number 1. From whom did Tony take permission? Tony took permission from his mother. Number 2. What was the lesson he learned from the ant? Yes, he learned an important lesson to work hard and work together as a team.